Hello and welcome to In News program. Today's topic of discussion is Sengol to be installed in the new parliament. Points of discussion will be the news, what is Sengol, how was the Sengol made, why was the Sengol given to Nehru, how was the Sengol handed over to Nehru, and practice question. First of all, let's have a look at the news. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on May 24 said the upcoming inauguration of the new parliament building will see Prime Minister Narendra Modi install a historic sceptre from Tamil Nadu next to the Lok Sabha Speaker's seat. Now let's discuss what is Sengol. Sengol derived from the Tamil word Semmai meaning righteousness. According to an official document, the sceptre is a significant historical symbol of independence as it signifies the transfer of power from the British to the Indians. Why was the Sengol given to Nehru? According to the official document, just before independence, Lord Mountbatten, the last Viceroy of India, asked Nehru about the ceremony that should be followed to symbolize the transfer of power from British to Indian hands. The soon-to-be Prime Minister went to consult C. Rajagopalachari, the last Governor General of India, who told him about a ceremony performed during the Chola dynasty in which the transfer of power from one king to the other was sanctified and blessed by high priest. The symbol for the transfer of power used was the handover of the Sengol from one king to his successor, the document pointed out. It added that the new crowned ruler would be given the Sengol with an order to rule his subjects fairly and justly. How was the Sengol made? A Chennai-based Vumidi Bangaru Chetty jewelers was given the responsibility to make it. Constructed by two men, 𝐕𝐀𝐒 𝐏𝐫𝐤𝐬 and 𝐕𝐀𝐒 𝐏𝐫𝐚𝐼, both are still alive and remember making it. The sceptre measures 5 feet in length and has a Nandi bull on top symbolizing justice. How was the Sengol handed over to Nehru? As per the official document, 3 people including the Deputy High Priest of Adhinam, the Nadeshwaram player Rajathriman Pillai and Oduar singer brought in the newly made Sengol from Tamil Nadu. During the ceremony, which took place on August 14, 1947, a priest gave the sceptre to Lord Mountbatten and then took it back. It was then taken in procession to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's house, where it was handed over to him. A special song was rendered as specified by the high priest. It added the song played during the ceremony was composed by the 7th century Tamil saint Thirugan Sambandar, a child prodigy who lived only 16 years. Now it's time for the practice question for prelims. With reference to Sengol, consider the following statements. 1. It is a sceptre significant in Britain. 2. It signifies justice to the people. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.